Picture a city where cultures from around the world converge, creating a vibrant, dynamic metropolis. That's Toronto. This bustling hub is a melting pot of ethnicities, reflected in its awe-inspiring skyline and the pulsating arts scene. Here, every brick and every brushstroke tells a story of diversity, creating a vibrant tapestry of architectural and artistic styles. From the modern skyscrapers of downtown to the quaint historic neighborhoods, Toronto's cultural diversity is as rich as it is captivating. This is the heart of Canada, a city that never ceases to amaze. Dominating Toronto's skyline is the CN Tower, an engineering marvel that encapsulates the city's spirit. This awe-inspiring structure, soaring over 550 meters into the sky, was once the tallest freestanding structure in the world. Its construction, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, took 40 months to complete, beginning in the early 70s and culminating in 1976. With a revolving restaurant and glass floor viewing areas, the CN Tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. On a clear day, one can even see as far as the misty Vale of Niagara Falls. It's not just a sight to behold from afar, but an experience to immerse oneself in, an opportunity to literally see the world from a different perspective. The CN Tower serves as more than a mere tourist attraction. It's a communication hub, a beacon for navigation, and most significantly, an enduring symbol of Toronto's ambition and growth. The CN Tower, a symbol of Toronto, standing tall amidst the city's ever-changing skyline. Toronto's true beauty lies in its multiculturalism, a melting pot of cultures from around the globe. This vibrant city is a living, breathing testament to the power of diversity, where over 200 distinct ethnic origins blend seamlessly into the urban fabric. From Little Italy to Chinatown, Greektown to Little Portugal, the city's neighborhoods offer a patchwork of cultures, each contributing their unique flavor and charm. This multicultural influence is not just confined to the city's neighborhoods. It spills over into Toronto's lively cultural scene, with an array of events that celebrate the rich tapestry of its people. The city comes alive with festivals like Carabana, a jubilant celebration of Caribbean culture, or the Taste of the Danforth, that brings the flavors of Greece right to the heart of Toronto. The city's diversity is also reflected in its arts scene. The Toronto International Film Festival, for instance, showcases films from all around the world, while the Aga Khan Museum provides insights into Islamic and Persian art. In Toronto, every day is a global journey. Beyond its cultural charm, Toronto is also an economic powerhouse and a hub for academic excellence. The city is not just a bustling metropolis, it's a dynamic vortex of industry and innovation. Toronto is home to a robust economy that thrives on diversity, housing numerous high-tech startups, established businesses, and everything in between. And let's not forget the city's academic prowess. The University of Toronto, a world-renowned institution, is revered for its research and innovation. It stands as a beacon of intellectual accomplishment, drawing minds from across the globe to its vibrant campus. The university's contributions extend beyond academia, influencing industries and shaping global trends. Toronto's innovative spirit is palpable, from the bustling financial district to the cutting-edge research labs. The city has a knack for staying ahead of the curve, constantly pushing the envelope in technology, business, and education. Here in Toronto, the future isn't just anticipated, it's actively created. The city's ethos is one of progress and forward-thinking. It's a place where the next big thing is always just around the corner. In Toronto, the future is crafted today. Now, let's embark on a gastronomic adventure through Toronto's culinary scene. Imagine a world where you can taste the flavors of every corner of the globe, all in one city. That's Toronto for you. From the bustling food markets offering a symphony of tastes and smells, to the renowned restaurants serving up dishes that are nothing short of edible art. Toronto is a city where food tells a story. It's a tale of the city's cultural diversity, mirrored in the myriad of dishes available. You can savor the spicy aromas of Indian curries, indulge in the delicate flavors of Japanese sushi, or relish the comforting warmth of Italian pasta. And let's not forget the local Canadian delicacies, like the sweet and savory poutine, a true Toronto classic. Each dish, each flavor speaks of the people and cultures that have found a home in this vibrant city. It's in the sharing of these meals that Toronto truly comes alive, its multicultural heart beating in every bite. So, next time you're in Toronto, remember you're not just eating a meal, you're embarking on a journey, a journey that spans continents, cultures, and cuisines. In Toronto, every meal is a journey across the world. As we come to the end of this journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the essence of Toronto, a culturally diverse metropolis, home to the iconic CN Tower, a beacon of multiculturalism teeming with cultural events. This economic powerhouse houses the University of Toronto, an emblem of academic excellence. Its culinary scene, a reflection of its diversity, offers a global gastronomic journey. Toronto, a city that is as diverse as it is dynamic, as traditional as it is innovative, and as welcoming as it is exciting. Truly, a city like no other.